Hello students, I hope you all studies these ions and their symbols. Like what is ions? The substance which are made up of positively and negatively charged particles are called ions. Like for sodium, it's Na+, for magnesium, it's Mg2+, for aluminium, it's Al3+, again for calcium is Ca2+, for hydrogen is H+1, for copper it's Cu2+, for iron is Fe2+. So you can understand that these pluses are just showing the how many charges are here. Like here is the +2 charge, here is the +3 charge. Same like that, if we talk about the chloride, oxide, hydroxide, carbonate, sulfate, so you can see there is the single negative charge, here the double negative charge, again here is the single negative charge, or in case of carbonate here is again the double negative charge. So today we will learn that how can we write a chemical formula. But for this you have to learn at least only these ions and their symbols. These all are the very important ions and symbols, and I will also share the symbols of more ions. Okay, so for now you must learn all these ions. Moving ahead, we will learn that how can we write a chemical formula. For writing the chemical formula, one thing is very necessary, that always write the chemical symbols of ions with their positive and negative charges. Like if I am writing sodium, so when I am going to write the chemical formula, then I will not write only Na. That will be wrong. I will be write Na plus 1 positive charge. Okay, and same when I am going to write the chloride ion, I will write Cl with negative charge. Okay, so always mention these plus and negative ions, their charges. Then when we write the chemical formula, the common factors is removed. Like if we talk about the Na plus and Cl minus, when they both react and NaCl is formed, in that case, because here is the single positive charge and here is the single negative charge, so both will be cancelled and there will be only NaCl, not +1 charges will be written there. Okay, same if there will be, अगर यहाँ पे +2 रहता, यहाँ पे -2 रहता, तो फिर दोनों इंटरेक्ट होके there will be get cut off or just common factors will be out. Then crisscross. Crisscross means the charges of two ions get crisscross to each other. Like if I am going to write about the sodium oxide. So for the sodium there is the +1 charge, and in case of oxide ion there is the -2 charges. So whenever I write these, both charges will get crisscross. So O2 minus, that 2 minus will come towards Na, and this positive charge will go to O, and it will be Na2O. Okay. In case of ions, charges will be always on the right top corner. Like what? Like I have to write calcium carbonate. So when I write Ca, I will write the charges on the right top corner. Right top corner pe I will write +2. Okay, and when I have to write the formula, in that case what I will do, I will always write the numbers at the bottom right. Here the top corner, here the bottom right. Like I have to write zinc chloride, तो zinc what it will be charged? Plus 2 आपका रहेगा, and in case of chlorine there will be single minus. So when they both will interact, here I am writing the charges here, just keep this thing in mind, right top corner. But when the formula is formed, that will be get crisscrossed. Its minus charge will come to Zn, and this 2 positive charge will go to Cl, and it will be ZnCl2. And this number, this representation will come in the bottom corner, not on the top. Okay. And always write the positive ion first, followed by the negative ion. Right? We have to write Na plus and NaCl. Then I will always write NaCl, not ClNa, because Na is the positive charge.